So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to enable case escalation scheduler on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website and log into your account right here, and then select this profile icon and now select access Zoho CRM. Now guys, go with this settings icon and select this option right here. And now you need to first of all create a case escalation rule, and after that you guys can able to start your escalation scheduler. So after creating your case escalation rule, you just need to select this button right here called Enable Escalation Scheduler, and after selecting it you guys can see our escalation scheduler has been enabled. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.